This is going to be your almost personal reading, all signs collective, all that you need to know about your soulmate, your person. Let's start. I'll stay cards for you and then we move to your person. So what's going on with you guys? Okay, with the lovers card, you guys are definitely thinking about your person. Some of you guys might be having more than one options. Even after having options, you still feel stuck on the past one. Okay, what else? With Queen of Wands, I still believe that regardless of how you feel or what you're doing, whether you're taking action, whether you're holding back, whether you block this person, or whether you are blocked, you still feel this attraction or pull towards them. Even after they've done so many bad things to you, you cannot completely stop thinking about them, and it kinds of irritates you, right? What else is coming up for you guys? I also see some of you guys enjoying the weekend sexually. Okay, a lot of good things coming in when it comes to passion. Okay, with Ten of Cups, regardless of how things are now, in the coming days, I see you being in a lot better mood. Okay, I believe your person very much will take or put in efforts to a point that you guys are going to be in communication. A lot of things are going to get clear. If you've been holding a grudge against them for whatever reasons, then you're going to possibly let that go and stay open to them. Okay, in terms of your finances, what's coming up? Okay, financially, I do not know if you've lost touch with your passionate self or your creative self, but things are not looking very good. It's like you've lost that touch, and you need to possibly go within and find that self again. Okay, like whether it's because of depression, anxiety, but for whatever reasons, you've lost the touch to your creative self. You're not so passionate about whatever you're doing in life like you used to. Okay, what else? In terms of relationship, we have King of Cups. Regardless of what is happening, how it's happening, you still feel strongly for this particular person. You still have those feelings for them. Okay, now coming back to your person, let's see what's up with them. We have King of Wands and we had Queen of Wands at the very start. So I believe this person is someone who's very attractive, someone who's very good looking, someone who gets a lot of attention, someone who might be also very much passionate about what he or she does in life. So they are successful overall. If not successful, they are really working hard towards whatever they are doing in life. Okay, I also see for many of you this person might be living at a distance. Okay, how are they thinking about you now? We have Eight of Pentacles, which speaks about someone wanting to put in effort in this connection, wanting to put in some bits of efforts that gets you speaking. Okay, in the past they were however silent or not very communicative or hardly communicative. Okay, top card we have is Two of Cups, which speaks about them wanting to make the effort into getting back with you. Okay, one card for what do they have in mind right now? Okay, why is the Tower here? I mean, they want to bring some changes for sure. I don't see the Tower as a breakup or a shake-up. I rather see it as changes. Yeah, with Wheel of Fortune, this person definitely wants to move the cycle further, the wheel further. That is, if you guys were stagnant, stuck in a situation, then this person will give you some sort of clarity that is going to help you move ahead. Okay, along with them, obviously. One more card in terms of their honest feelings about you. This person quite honestly has been trying to reach out to you. Okay, in the past this person was lying, deceiving, trying to stay away, not being communicative. For many of you, this person might have also blocked you quite recently. I do not mean like block on social media, like they just blocked you from talking to them. They did something that you found very offensive to a point that you stopped talking, right? So I believe that was very manipulative, that was thought after. And with Six of Swords, this person right now, I see it in a good way, I don't see it in a bad way, that this person wants to come forward to you. Okay, however, they might have not been very emotionally available like always. One card for their heart space. Okay, we have Four of Cups. So this person feels rejected by you for some reason. Okay, maybe in the past they came off as a friend and you completely rejected them, or you completely like closed off the idea of being friends with them, or staying open as someone who you knew and now you guys are friends. Previously you were dating, you were not open to that idea. Okay, so I believe right now this person very much feels rejected. They might be stuck in a situation and they came off again as a friend. They wanted to stay in touch and you completely denied it. Okay, why would you entertain something so messed up, right? You were right in your side. Okay, in terms of their hate space, we have Four of Wands. This person definitely wants to meet you in person. For many of you, if they can manage to come forward, I see this happening at least within the month. If it's long distance or something is getting in the way, or someone is already preoccupied, something is getting in the way, then I see within a month, that is by September. If it's close by, then you guys are definitely going to meet by end of this month itself. Okay, but this person definitely has intentions of meeting you in person. With Four of Cups being in their heart space, this person fears losing you. This person fears missing this opportunity with you. With Six of Swords being the the overall energy, this person has been trying to stay away, but they were not able to. Okay, I see this person possibly distancing themselves in the past, giving you mixed signals, or possibly giving you all the wrong messages, that they were not up for this, they're just friends, this and that. It pushed you away, and now that you have got away, they are trying to come forward. Okay, in terms of their intentions towards you, with Five of Wands, this person is going to create some conflict or drama that gets your attention. Their major intention is to get your attention. Okay, in terms of what effort are they want to put towards this connection? Okay, that's a strong message. For many of you, I'm getting a very straight message that this person, if they had ended things with you and they chose a past person, or they chose a ex, or they chose some other person altogether, then they might want to end that in order to choose you. Okay, so it is a very straightforward message. Like last time I told you that it's either going to go north or south. Again, I'm getting the same message that for many of you it's going to go north, but for few, 30% of you, it might go south. For whatever reasons, I believe that whatever idea that they give you about coming together or staying friends or being more than friends or being whatever, if you don't approve of that, I see it ending. Quite honestly, I see it ending. Okay, but for whatever reasons, if they let go of the third party and they choose you over, then I see them completely letting go of the third party. Okay, like completely walking away and choosing to be with you. I don't mean be with you in terms of marriage or relationship. At least choose you, at least give their energy to you, at least look forward to you. Okay, like that. In terms of where things are going to be going, we have Temperance, so possibly things are going to get back together. With Page of Pentacles, you guys are definitely going to be in communication. By end of this, let's take weekend, possibly Sunday, Monday. Where do we see this connection going? Yeah, for many of you, this person will definitely come forward. Okay, with Two of Swords, you guys are focused on the outcome. If even if they come forward, where it's gonna go, like whether I should even put an attention, like effort into this connection, or whether I should stay open in this connection, what should I do? That's your mindset, whether this person is going to come back for real, or they're going to do the same shit over. That's what you're thinking right now. With Eight of Wands, I for now go one day at a time. Okay, live one day at a time. Eight of Wands, I see messages. I don't see it as walking away, moving on. No. Okay, in terms of how do they view you now? Page of Cups, still very attractive to you. In terms of how do they view the connection? Some of them might feel like you still have feelings for them, but for whatever reason you're staying away. With Justice card, they know that this was once a mutual connection, and they were the ones who cut it off and possibly chose something else. Maybe they chose something that was much more shinier. You know what I'm trying to talk about, right? Someone who either could be financially well off, or maybe good looking, or whatever. They thought, they thought the grass was greener elsewhere, and the grass was basically fake. you know it wasn't even real, and now that they realize it, there are good chances that they're coming back for a connection. I would not want to call it a relationship, or like a commitment, because you never know. This is a general reading, and I don't want to give you a false idea about it. Now, again, for many of you who get triggered by my messages saying, oh, you said this, or you said that as well, or you said this as well, darling, I got to deal with like 5,000 plus people on this one single reading. Everyone is going through something different. Whatever resonates in your case, take that. Okay, I'm going to give you a specific message, and I'm going to be very honest about it. If you can't handle my messages or my readings, then this channel isn't for you. Go and watch something else. Okay, but with Ace of Wands, for many of you, I see things restarting. Okay, this person will definitely try to get your attention, and I kind of see you looking back, but not giving in, but looking back. Okay, with Seven of Swords, some of you guys might be thinking of keeping yourself open towards something new in your life. You're basically done with this shit, but part of you, like 30% of you, still looks behind, but 70% of you is trying to move forward. Okay, so let's take love messages. Distracted. Okay, your person was very much distracted by something else in their life. They were two timing. They were like possibly two timing you and someone else as well. Okay, last message we have here. I've been feeling your presence around me. So your person definitely feeling your presence around them. Okay, if that makes sense to you, it does to me. I've not been honest with you. So your person hasn't been honest, and I've been telling you that shit for quite a long time now. Okay. Last message bonus. We have soon. Okay. So this person is wanting to give you an idea that you guys are going to be in talking terms or communication terms over again. And yeah, that's all I have for you. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button. That's how you support the channel, so please do. If you want a personal reading, reach out on the website. I've also done Libra Extended for 72 hours, almost personal. So if you're a Libra and wanting to buy that, you could either purchase the membership, or you could buy it through Etsy. Both ways you're going to get to watch it. It's up for $1.99. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.